So I'm gonna show you how to make your own cables, and we'll start with the guitar cable. For the cable, I'm gonna use instrument cable, summer cable, the Spirit. There we go. Good quality cable. And for the jacks, we have a Nutric, and we've made sure that this will fit our cable. And of course, the tools we need are gonna be some soldering plugs, wire. I have my soldering iron heated up and ready to go. It's 30 watts, should be enough. Then I have a place to put it in, and then of course the first thing I should have mentioned is a mask. You don't want to be breathing these, so safety first. Then we have wire strippers like these. Of course we need a blade to strip the cable. Then I have pliers like this with some touch there, pliers like this, and ones that are like flush from here, so I'm gonna make some good cuts. And what we see here, we have let me show you. So no shortages, preventing, be sure to have these in there. So these are the tools we need to iron. Oh, one more. I almost forgot the helping hand. So a tool like this, I'll have it there. So first things first, we're gonna take the end of our cable. I'm just gonna, for the video, I'm just gonna do the other end, and we're gonna cut it like that. There we go. We see the metal coming up, revealing just a bit more. Cut at the end, and then we're just gonna peel it off and make sure you get all the bare wire from there. Then we're gonna cut the extra off. Twist these really tightly together, all of them, don't leave any like strands. Loose strands here, so we don't get any ground issues. Then we're gonna get our wire strippers. There we go. This is what it looks like. You can twist that together also. Yeah, it should be good. Then we're gonna cut a bit of, well, not yet actually. And for these. I like to, that's why we have this tiny piece of sanding paper. I'm just gonna sand over there just a bit. It will be much easier for the solder to stick there, because it usually has some leftover oil in the parts. So then we're gonna put it there. Oh no, actually, there we go. And now make sure those are good and tight. We should have our iron ready to go. And then we're gonna hit the wire up and give it some solder there. Same with and get it all the way down there. I have a pretty thin wire, as you can see. You can use a thicker one. Then we're just gonna take a piece like that off there. There we go. And then we'll make the actual connections. So I'm gonna twist that a bit. Get this through. There we go. Oh. Get that through here. Get the other wire. Set up. There we go. And then it's time to give it some more. So this is called the tip, and this is called the sleeve, and the crown is in here. Here we go. Yep. Let it sit for a while. That's a nice connection over there. And then we get this heated up and start giving it some. There we go, looks nice. Yep. And now we're gonna use these ones. So we can see that's what it looks like. So we're gonna cut this off here. We have it really flush. Then we're gonna press it down a bit. And then get this, squeeze this together. This, so we can have some tension on the cable, and that's where I use these ones. There we go. This is the point, because now we have the one end done. This is the point where you wanna check your sleeve, check that the plastic ring is there, and then you're gonna get it in there. And let's do the other end. There we go. That's done. And then, of course, make sure before you do the other end, make sure you get this in there the right way, of course. Also, threads are here. Get that there, and then you can start working on the other end like this. There we go. And you do the same thing over again, and you will have this beautiful self-soldered plug on both ends, and you have a good wire. The same principle goes for XLR cables, and you can do all sorts of stuff when you just learn how to solder, and in the end it will save you a lot of money if you need a ton of cable, and even if you don't, it will probably still save you a lot of money. I will put some useful links where you can get this, where you can get the summer cable from, the Spirit, and also the jacks, blocks, and help you in the future. And if you have any comments or questions to ask, do that in the comments. All right, I'm off.